Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money on Upwork as a freelancer. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you looking to make money by freelancing on Upwork? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to find the right jobs, submit winning proposals, deliver great work and get paid. First, let's talk about creating a winning profile. Your profile picture is one of the first things potential clients will see, so choose a close-up headshot that shows your face clearly. Avoid using a selfie or a picture that is not of you. Your profile headline should be clear and concise, and should give potential clients an idea of who you are and what you do. Next, let's talk about finding the right jobs. Use the search function to find jobs on Upwork, either by searching for specific keywords or browsing through the job categories. Browse job categories such as writing, web development, graphic design, and customer service. Before you apply for a job, be sure to check out the client's profile and read the job description carefully. Now that you've found the right job, it's time to submit a winning proposal. Include a personalized cover letter, highlighting your relevant skills and experience. Provide samples of your work, set a competitive price and communicate with your client throughout the project. Delivering great work is crucial to making money on Upwork. Communicate with your client regularly, meet deadlines, and deliver high-quality work. Keep in mind that Upwork is a platform that operates on feedback, so make sure you maintain a good track record by providing great work. By following these tips and strategies, you'll be well on your way to making money on Upwork as a freelancer. Remember to create a winning profile, find the right jobs, submit winning proposals, deliver great work and communicate with your clients. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel for more information on how to make money online.